So before I get started today, I just want to give a quick shout out to Ricky Gore. He's a guy that's been following me for a while, and I've had conversations with him back and forth over email, and he's currently in the process of building a CNC of his own, and he is right there at the cusp of being done and at the real frustrating part where he's got just one little thing before he gets it going. So I wanted to give a shout out to thank him because he sent us some Tennessee honey, and his wife made us some homemade jam and jelly. I can assure you we'll eat it. Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today, right off the bat, I'm going to apologize. It's been about 2 weeks since I put a video out. Reason being, my wife and I went on a vacation. We went to historic Williamsburg, and Jamestown, and Yorktown, just out that way, and we had a full week of it, and wonderful time. You guys want to check that stuff out? I've already released one video over on Smokey Uncuffed, and I'm going to release probably 2, maybe 3 more. Might have had a debacle with the camera and may have lost one of the videos, so anyway, so today, since I've been out there, I want to do something cool. I want to do some Revolutionary War stuff, and so we're going to do the bisected serpent that represents all the states that were involved, 13 colonies, and so we're going to give that a shot. I did do this one on plywood because I had to do a lot of cleanup on the artwork, and just in case it doesn't come out right, I'm probably going to try it again later because it is something I think is pretty neat. I love the Revolutionary War and all that history stuff. So with that said, here we go. that was it, guys. I thought it came out pretty cool. I mean, there's a few things that I might touch up. Some of the lettering, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit more, like the P. I'd like to see it be a little sharper. But, I mean, they're jagged letters on purpose because that's just kind of the look we were going for on it and what the flag really looked like. In the end, I think it looks awesome. And so get ready down the road. I'm going to be doing a couple more, I'll probably be doing at least one more video a week. And it's not always going to be me cutting something. I've had a ton of requests to show the computer work that's involved. And so I'm going to try to do more of that stuff. I know not everybody's interested in it, but you know, I can't keep everybody happy all the time. So anyway, that'll be it for this one, guys. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.